you today, guys? It's BrieAction. I am not going to be doing my usual singing into the intro because I'm sick. So I'm sorry. I feel a little nasally. Here's a wreck. It's lazy Saturday. Here's a wreck. Gotta clean my hair. I'm gonna do that later. Don't pay attention to it. We were doing the roses. She's in the rain, and I am so late to this. It came out like what, last week, maybe a little bit more. I'm just really late to it, and I apologize. But we're gonna get right. Wait. We're gonna get right on into it and press play because I've been excited to hear their comeback. Pressing play now.
Do you hear me?
Ooh. I love his voice so much. I love Leo's voice too. I feel like his voice is unappreciated. Not appreciated enough. There you go. Oh, they actually put a movie into this. Some of you said it was depressing. We'll see. Is it gonna make you want to shed tears? I'm dying inside. I wanna think that it's a lie. Why? 소리쳐 외쳐봐도 대답이 없네. 쏟아지는 외로움 in the rain. She's in the rain. This scene is really pretty. Not the random dust in the back, but the picture swinging down. I just love the way he manipulates his voice. I hope it's not like straining his vocal cords as he does this style of his way of singing, but I love it. It's different. And then the shots of them in the rain. Like, this is so aesthetically pleasing to me. Just watching a band just doing, like, just playing their instruments is so, I love it. Like, it doesn't bore me at all. I love it. I think it's so awesome because I wish I could play an instrument. Not wish, I can. I just need to take the time to learn it. He's literally Dead Poet Society. I never read that. I should. He's just taking pictures of her. I commend her for being able to stand on a ledge like that because I can't. I go through it. I'm afraid of heights. You wanna hurt yourself, I'll stay with you. You wanna make yourself go through the pain. It's better to be held than holding on. It's better to be held than holding on. Yeah, that hit me. He's not lying. Oh, that was beauteous right there. That was the roses. She's in the, sorry. She's in the rain, and that is like nothing short of like spectacular, but I I feel like I always expect spectacular from the Rose, and I always get it. So, because they never, ever, ever disappoint. That's just a fact. This is a known fact. But yeah, that was like super, super pretty, and just the whole video, the rain. I feel like every band does this at one point. They always do a video in the rain. It just works so well with bands and their instruments. Like the aesthetic is just so beautiful. But yeah, I super love the song. This is everything I could have hoped for in a Rose song. You have Sammy's emotional, beautiful vocals, and then just like Leo's vocals just add this. Yeah, I feel like Leo's, like, the focal point of his voice is just the how somber his voice comes out, and it just, I don't know, it hits me a lot too. Same as Sammy's voice. Sammy's voice is the same thing. I just this group is so great. I hope they continue for a very, very, very long time, because they deserve it all, because they're just so great. But yeah, that was my reaction to the Rose, She's in the Rain, and I hope you liked and enjoyed that. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you guys think, tell me what you guys want to see. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I am BrieAction, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is VAV Senorita, which I've heard the song before already, because I was at their show in New Jersey. So I've heard it already, but I can't wait to see the video. So I'll see you guys there. Bye, guys.